In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to restore your Snapchat streak. Let's get started. First, you can use the in-app restore button. For that, launch Snapchat, navigate to the conversations page. Now head over to any of the chat, look for the restore button next to the friends chat. Tap restore and follow the on-screen prompts. Regular users may get 1 free restore, while Snapchat Plus subscribers get up to 5 free restores per month. If you have no free restores left, Snapchat may charge a small fee around $0.99 to revive it instantly. Next thing you can do is submit a free request to Snapchat support. For that, navigate to settings, then click on the option Help Center. Now go ahead and click on this option, I lost my streak. Now click on this option, this form. With that, you will be directed to this page. From here, you can request for restoring your Snapchat streak. All you have to do is fill out all of these details: username, email address, phone number, chat type, and group chat name. After you fill in all the details, send it. Also explain what happened honestly and click submit. Support usually reviews these requests within a few hours. So this is how you can restore your Snapchat streak. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.